What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods, and today we're going to talk about a big mistake that I made. You want to hear about it? Of course you do. Why would you not, really? So, the month is December. The year is 2019. I built a really cool Nature Aquarium. I even posted it on Instagram. Posted some videos, posted some pictures. But you know what I didn't do? I never edited the footage, and I never put it on YouTube for you guys. So, when I made the video the other day, when we were doing the Aquarium accent tank, and I wanted to go find the old footage of the old Dragonstone scape that was in there, I found the old footage of the Nature Aquarium. So how fitting would it be, of course, to take that footage, edit it for you guys, and throw it up on the YouTube. So today, I'm going to show you a really cool Nature Aquarium I made a year and a half ago. Alright, well, I'm not going to do any more talking. I'm going to let us get into it. Before we get started, I do want to just say really quick, because there's no talking points because the video is almost 2 years old, that all of the plants were connected to the driftwood by either glue or black sewing string. And they stayed that way for months. And this aquarium was beautiful. The only reason we even took it down was because we do that all the time. So if this is something that you might want to do, and I hope that it is, let us know down in the comments, because it was tons of fun and it was really beautiful to look at. I mean, completely different from what we usually do. Anyways, I'm not going to talk anymore. Enjoy the video. Alright, aquatic family, well, that was our Nature Aquarium from December of 2019, and just for context, depending on when you're watching this video, as of this month, it is April 2021, so almost a year and a half old. But nonetheless, it was a beautiful aquascape. It took a lot of creativity. We built all the driftwood, put it together with glue and sewing string, and put all the plants on with glue and sewing string. And it took me a while to do, and it grew in really nicely. It was one of my favorite aquascapes that I ever made, and I hope that you enjoyed it too. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more aquarium related content just like this. As always, I'm Eric with Aquascape Gods. Have a good day.